Hello everyone, welcome back to the One Stop Solution. In this video, I'll be showing you how to manage who can send you a friend request on Facebook. Let's get started. Start by opening Facebook on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the top right. Scroll all the way down. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Then you'll be led to the settings page where you can manage various things. To manage the friend request, scroll down to Audience and Visibility. Tap on how people find you and contact you. Tap on who can send you a friend request at the top. Here you can see two options. By selecting everyone, including unknown people can send a request. While selecting friends of friends, only the people who have mutuals with you can send you a request. If you don't want unnecessary requests from unknown people, then probably go with the second option. After you're done, tap on Save icon at the bottom. And that is how to manage who can send you a friend request on Facebook. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.